Here we are. The wall we did. My battery is dead. I'm looking for a guy named Sam. Well, here we got Sam.
How we doing today?
What do you got to say, Sam?
Oh, let's get up there and get some work done. We're up here in Tollgate Canyon. We got of course, the nice gloomy day that it's not 100 degrees.
Oh, I tell you, man, I was worried.
It's a good start.
It is a nice day.
Fix some of mine.
Pretty flush on the front. Now what did you say? He's talking to his girlfriend. Say hi to Mama. You gotta smile if you're gonna be on TV. Drinking my coffee. I like this machine. You're sitting in it. Bucket moves with you. You got the choker on the wrong side. Step on the strap. Okay, we're gonna have to put the strap a little bit more in the center. Beautiful. We got Mike's. Oh, be careful, man. I don't want to get hit with that thing. We got Mike's pick handle, using it for a whacker. This is Sam the Man. That's what he's known for here in Parker City, Utah. Sam the Man. He hit himself yesterday with that. Make sure he doesn't put his fingers underneath the straps. We gotta move the strap. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, we gotta move the strap to the left a little bit. At least if it rains, I don't get wet. Ingenuity. You see how he used that rock to try and whack that strap? Throw some lumber behind that. Okay, let's go ahead and get it. Gotta be really careful when he's next to that boot. This little flinch. Look at that. Split his head open. Get blood all over the tractor. And we'd have problems. We have to clean the tractor. Michael wants some level. Okay, here, let's get this one here. It's out of my reach. Undo the strap. grab this one. Sam's a good guy. He ran the backhoe first day and a half. Good operator. You don't mind me filming, do you? You might become a celebrity. All the girls up here will want to date with you. Get rid of the dirt so it don't hit you in the head. Whack it. Get your whack. Push it on the left side. Yeah, kind of push it in the, yeah, like that, going backwards. Yeah, just wedge it in there. Finesse it. Dance with it. We call it dancing with the rock. That's good. We're just doing Mike's house. Now, see, some people say I'm teaching my competitors how to do the job. Everybody's got to make a lift. Somebody taught me how to do it. Let's see if we can salvage it. There, get a strap on it. Oh, I dropped my cup behind the seat. Actually, you can hook the strap right on the tube. Here, rotate it. Okay, what you're gonna do is straddle that rock so we can move the strap. The choker is wrong. I think it's all the pretty girls in Europe watching my videos. Chokerette? No. Something behind, go grab some wood. Well, grab a shovel, that stuff's not too hard up there. That's where it's going, right there. Only 14 minutes left on my battery. You don't have a video camera charger, do you? Rainbow. It's an amazing thing.